In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Slack. Forwarding messages is a quick way to share important information with the right people without copying and pasting. It keeps context clear and saves time, whether you're on your computer or using your phone. I'll walk you through both desktop and mobile so you can use whatever's most convenient. Let's start on desktop. When you see a message you want to share, move your mouse over it. A small toolbar will appear to the right of the message. Look for the forward message option. Depending on your view, you might see a dedicated forward icon, or you may need to click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. From there, choose Forward Message. This opens a window where you can select where to send it. You can forward to an individual teammate or to a channel. If you're not seeing the destination right away, use the search field to find it by name. Before you send, you'll have the option to add a note. This is a great place to give context, like why you're forwarding the message or what action you're hoping for. When you're ready, click Send, and the original message will be forwarded along with your note. On mobile, the flow is just as simple. Find the message you want to share, then press and hold on it. A menu will pop up, tap Forward Message. You'll be prompted to choose a person or a channel. Just like on desktop, you can search to find the right destination. Add an optional note if you want to explain the context, and then send it off. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Choose the right destination by thinking about visibility. Forwarding to a public channel makes the content visible to everyone there, while forwarding to a direct message keeps it private. If your workspace has many channels, using the search field is faster than scrolling. Adding a short note helps the recipient understand why the message is being shared and what needs attention. Keep in mind that the forwarded content reflects the original message. You're not editing it, just passing it along. If you realize you meant to send it somewhere else, you can forward it again to the correct place and, if appropriate, remove the mistakenly sent copy. That's all you need to forward messages in Slack on both desktop and mobile. Hover or tap and hold, choose Forward Message, pick your destination, optionally add a note, and send. It's a simple habit that keeps information flowing to the right people at the right time.